This is a Cessna 172, about 10 south of Charlie Papa Tango, Cleburne. Request VFR flight following workload permitting direct to Austin, Alpha Uniform Sierra at 4,500.
Alright, Skyhawk 72 Victor, contact Waco approach control 127.65.
2765, thank you. Waco approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 102 Victor, Waco approach.
Numbers are 1802 Victor. Yes, this is a Cessna 172, about 10 south of Charlie Papa Tango, Cleburne. Request VFR flight following workload permitting to Austin, Alpha Uniform Sierra at 4,500.
Cessna 02 Victor, squawk 3410 and ident. Waco altimeter is 29907.
3410, 02 Victor. Gray approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 4,500.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, gray altimeter is 2999.
9er, 02 Victor, thank you. Austin approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 4,500 with India.
Cessna 1802 Victor, Austin approach, proceed straight in, runway 17 left.
17 left, 02 Victor, thank you.
Now on course to Cessna 19.
Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 26, 2.20. Altimeter 2997. Advise on initial contact. You have information India.
Austin approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 4,000 with India.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Austin approach, forever. Cessna 02 Victor, traffic you're following is still 4 miles ahead, station looks good, contact tower.
We're looking for the traffic, we'll call the tower, 02 Victor, thank you. Austin Tower, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Austin Tower, wind 2403, and on 7 left, clear plans. Skyhawk 02 Victor, did you copy the clearance?
Did not, repeat please.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, wind 2303, and on 7 left, clear to land.
Clear, 17 left, clear to land, 02 Victor, thank you.
Airshow 2731, Renault 7 right, taxi via Romeo Charlie. Skyhawk 02 Victor, turn right at the first taxiway, Juliet and Tay parking.
Atlantic Aviation, Juliet.
Say again, signature, is that right?
Atlantic.
Alright, Skyhawk 02 Victor, remain in this frequency, taxi to parking via Juliet, Alpha, and Kilo.
Juliet, Alpha, Kilo, 02 Victor, thank you.
Austin Tower, Skyhawk 123 Victor Kilo at runway 17 left, ready to take off.
Skyhawk 123 Victor Kilo, Austin Tower, wind 240 at 4, proceed on course to Lockhart, 117 left, clear for takeoff.
7 left, clear for takeoff on runway, on course to Lockhart, 3 Victor Kilo.
Airshow 2731, Austin Tower, flighting 190, and on something right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Austin clearance delivery, Skyhawk 1802 Victor at Atlantic with Juliet.
Citation 562 Delta Delta, have your clearance here to Alice if you're ready, sir. Ready to copy, 2 Delta Delta.
Citation 2 Delta Delta, clear to Alice Airport via Austin 3 departure, San Antonio transition direct, maintain 4,000, expect flight level 200, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.0, squawk 4577.
562 Delta Delta is clear to Alice, Texas via Austin 3 departure, San Antonio transition, climb and maintain 4,000, flight level 200, 10 minutes after departure, departure frequency 119.0, squawk 4577, 2 Delta Delta.
Citation 2 Delta Delta, roger, readback is correct, sir. Cessna calling clearance was at 18027.
It's 1802 Victor at Atlantic with Juliet.
Okay, what can I do for you, sir?
We're going to depart to Cleburne, Charlie Papa Tango, VFR, and request flight following.
Okay, sir. At what type of Cessna are you? What altitude are you requesting?
Cessna 1802 Victor or Cessna 172 at 3,500.
102 Victor. What is your on-course heading to Cleburne today?
On-course heading is 005.
Okay, thank you, sir. Cessna 1802 Victor, squawk 4042, departure frequency 127.22.
4042, 02 Victor.
You didn't push a button.
4042, 02 Victor.
All right, sir, your departure frequency 127.22.
2722, 02 Victor. Austin ground, Skyhawk 1802 Victor. We're ready at Atlantic with Juliet.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Austin ground, runway 17 left, taxi via Bravo.
Bravo to 17 left, 02 Victor.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, that's northbound. Do you happen to know the on-course heading?
On course is 005.
Thank you.
Ground, Skyhawk 652, Mike Alpha at Atlantic at number 1 with Juliet, ready for taxi.
Austin Tower, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, ready at 17 left, north departure.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Austin Tower, flight heading 130, runway 17 left, cleared for takeoff.
130, 17 left, clear for takeoff, 02 Victor.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, Tower, how'd you hear?
17 left, clear for takeoff, 02 Victor.
02 Victor, turn left heading 130.
130 left, 02 Victor, thank you. I didn't repeat that vector, that 130. So he made me repeat it. If you don't come and go out of a busy airport like this, you get a little rusty. It's always good to stay in the control system and talk to people.
Yeah.
Tower SL 3725 with a visual 17.
Okay, we're looking for 130.
Visual 3725, off Tower, runway 17 right, cleared to land.
Runway 17 right, SL 3725.
Bird under the wing.
What?
A bird under the wing. He's behind us now.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, U-mode C equipped.
Affirmative, 02 Victor.
02 Victor, I'm not receiving your mode C squawk altitude.
I've had that problem before. But they're not picking up my altitude. They see me.
Oh, yeah.
Tag 02 Victor, got it now, and there's, go ahead and contact departure.
Contact departure, 02 Victor, thank you. Now we go to 12722. Austin approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Cessna 1802 Victor, Austin departure, radar contact, turn left heading 090.
090, 02 Victor.
Kind of hazy.
Oh, I know, it's terrible. It's a little better when you get away from the city.
Yeah.
I think as it heats up,
Whiskey Bravo 10.
there's the haze level right there.
Cessna 02 Victor, turn left heading 030.
030, 02 Victor. Making me do a big giant loop.
Yeah.
Stay out of the way, which is good. 030. I'm looking at that number. Also, I've got it over here, but
Yeah.
they should be about the same. There's your town over there.
There's Galaxy
Yeah.
Mike Alpha, delete the altitude restrictions.
Okay, they're expecting me to call them because the controller told the other controller he's handing me off.
Yeah.
So I call him. Gray approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor 3500.
And 1802 Victor, Gray approach, ground altimeter 3000.
000, thank you. He got loud, I thought he was quiet. Oh well. That's such a smooth, it's so nice. It's a great day for flying, except for the heat. Waco approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor 3500.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Waco approach, Russ.